We're back now with Angie Horkin with the Wisconsin Beef Council with another tasty recipe today. What are we making today?
Okay, so we're making lettuce wraps.
All right.
So it's kind of salad season.
Love
I love
this.
steak salads this time of year, and I love lettuce wraps too this
Spring,
time of year.
it's fresh.
It's so spring, it's so fresh, and it's a great way to, maybe if you've got a bunch of ingredients in your fridge too,
Perfect.
after other meals, throw them all together. Yeah, and make this like a planned over recipe. So maybe if you got a grill night and you're grilling steak, save a steak and make some lettuce wraps the next day for lunch. I'm using flat iron, so the recipe on beeftips.com calls for flat iron steak, but really you could use any steak.
Whatever you want.
Any tender steak.
There you go.
You wouldn't even have to maybe use a tender steak because we did marinate the flat iron for a little bit, about 30 minutes.
Okay.
So I marinate it in cider vinegar, miso paste, garlic and ginger. Popped in the fridge, let it hang out just in this baggie, 30 minutes, hour, whatever. If you do use a more economical steak cut, you could definitely marinate it longer overnight because you got that cider vinegar in there to do a little bit of tenderizing. Then I grilled it. While I was doing that, I made this really fun sauce.
It does look cool.
It's got a lot going on, but it's super delicious. So it's got some apple in there, it's got sauteed onion, it's got brown sugar, a little more sesame oil, a little more miso paste, cider vinegar, garlic and ginger. So kind of some of the ingredients from the marinade we're pulling into the sauce.
Awesome.
But then, did I mention brown sugar? So it's kind of a really sweet, almost sweet, sour, delicious sauce that we're gonna drizzle over. And then I've got some fun toppings. So I bought like a head of that butter head, or you could do butter bib, or you could really do anything. You know, you could do romaine and make them bigger.
Your whatever preference
Why not?
you want,
Whatever.
there you go.
Exactly. Then I got the flat iron warmed up.
Oh, this is fun.
This is fun. And then a little bit of that bulgogi sauce.
Look at that.
That sweet tangy.
Anything with brown sugar, sign me
on
up.
the hot steak is just delicious. Then for toppings, I've got pickled red onions, some cold slaw, just packaged cold slaw. This was kind of stuff I just had in the refrigerator, so.
It's easy too.
Yeah, and a little shredded carrot, you get more crunch. And then you could always do some chopped dry roasted peanuts.
Little crunch to it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at that.
These delicious little guys are so fun.
And so healthy.
And so healthy. You make a whole bunch of them too. It says 4 servings, so I don't know how many wraps you gotta make to do a quarter of a pound of steak, but give it a try. Beeftips.com, click on the As Seen on TV link, TV page, and you'll find this recipe plus all of our great steak salad, beef salad recipes. Perfect for this time of the year.
Lovely time of year. Angie, as always, thank you.